Hello, I'm Evan with New Life for Old Bikes. In today's episode, I'm going to be replacing the chain on a mountain bike I recently picked up off of Craigslist. If your chain isn't rusty, but it's been skipping and jumping, your next step is to test it for wear. This little tool connects to the chain, and if this end slides between the links, it's wore out. As you can see, this particular chain is fine. This is good. This is bad. For those of you without the tool, all you need is a piece of coat hanger. Notice I've put a curl in here, which is going to drop down between the links. I pull it tight, and if it doesn't fall between the links at the other end, the chain is fine. This is good. This is bad. These are the measurements of the tool if you'd like to make one for yourself. Normally, I'd use a chain brake tool to remove the chain from this bike. But as you can see, this chain is rather stiff and rusty, and I'm rather concerned that the only thing that I'll break with the chain brake tool is the tool itself. So today we're going to either use a hacksaw, a reciprocating saw, or if you happen to have a bolt cutter, that would work as well. My tool of choice is a reciprocating saw. We're going to remove this very quickly. Once you've cut through the chain, pull it apart. This one's rather rusty and needs a little extra persuasion. Oh, cow, that's stiff. Before installing my new chain, I'm going to verify the length, and this is in fact the same length. This particular chain doesn't have a master link, so the rivet is actually partially out. I'm going to put this part of it over the chain ring. Make sure you leave enough dangling in front so that you'll be able to connect it. Go in front of the top cog on the derailleur and behind the bottom cog on the derailleur. Once you have the chain all the way around, connect the two ends. At this point, simply line up the chain brake tool over the rivet. And tighten it down. It'll push the rivet right into place. There you go. We're connected. If your chain came with a master link, simply put the rivet section through the hole in the chain, one on each side. Connect the two halves together and just give it a good pull and it will connect. Thank you for watching. I hope my video has helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, like and subscribe.